Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Praharshini Tech. So today in this session we are going to discuss about face recognition using artificial intelligence. So let's start our session without any late, but before we start our session I'm going to ask you a question. Try to answer it and give me the answer back in the comment section. However, I will give the answer at the end of our session. So let's start. Today I'm going to lead you all through this session, and I'm Praharshini and I'm from 8th standard. So today's agenda for the session is, first we are going to discuss about what is artificial intelligence, and then what is intelligence, and then what is machine learning, and at last what is the use of artificial intelligence. So this is our agenda for today's session. And first, what is artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence is nothing but the intelligence demonstrated by machines in contrast to the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals. Means when first calculators were invented, people thought that these machines were very intelligent, but after a while they thought that these machines work on the information that we give. Means if we type 10 into 10 into 10, it will give the answer back 1000. If we type the same question as many times, it will give the same answer. Means it will work on the algorithms we provide to the machine. Means it was not a original intelligence. The name itself tells it was not a real intelligence. Means it was an artificial intelligence. Next, what is intelligence? So assume a situation that you are playing basketball and the ball is with you and you have to play the game. So you know how to start the game and play, and how to throw the ball in the basket, and all the techniques how to play. So this is called intelligence. Some may not know because they don't know how to play. There is no intelligence for them. Means you have intelligence. Intelligence is nothing but the ability to do anything. So far as now, robots were discovered, but they are not as advanced as us. But nowadays it was becoming developed day by day. So nowadays automatic driving cars were invented. Means the car itself drives the all way all the way. See here in the image you can see that the car identify the objects or anything in front of the car and drives by itself, and it knows the map and etc etc. So what is machine learning? So machine learning is nothing but machine learns with the information given by us. So first, assume a situation that a baby is trying to walk for the first time. The muscles of the baby were strong to walk, but the muscles were not trained how to walk. So parent or any else teaches the baby how to walk. The baby tries a couple of times and it may fail, but by trying number of times the baby know how to walk. The same situation is with the machine. Means here machine learns how to do the work with the information we gave it to, and it it needs a lot of information for the machine to know how to work. And we should give a lot of information, examples and etc etc to the machine. Next, see, always machines cannot be correct. For example, now tell me what may be under these patches. What animal will be under the patches? So first, tell me what animal was under this blue patch. So you will guess that it may be wildebeest because there are wildebeest around the blue patch. So there will be wildebeest under the blue patch. This is the algorithm we use to identify the answer. So if you guess that it was wildebeest, and you are correct. So now by using the same algorithm, try to answer what may be the under this red patch. So you answer that it will be zebra because there are number of zebras around this red patch. So if you answer zebra, and you are correct. So now answer it What may be under this green patch? It was somewhat difficult, but try to answer it. I will give you a couple of seconds to think. So yes, and if you thought that it was wildebeest, then you are wrong, because the answer is zebra. Because you thought that there were wildebeest around the green patch, and then it will be also zebra according to the algorithm before we have used. But if I gave this information, you will say that it was zebra because the information was provided. So the same situation is applicable for the missions too. Means we should give a lot of information and examples for the mission to learn how to do this work. See, this image, it's a funny image, but try to answer what was the monkey thinking about. We don't know, so let's assume that it was thinking about what is the use of AI, artificial intelligence. So, what is the use of artificial intelligence? First, see this two photos. What was going on here? In the first image, the road was destructed because of the earthquake. And second image, there are cancer cells and normal cells, means RBCs, in one place, like one photo. So here you may think that what is the use of artificial intelligence in these two situations? What may be the reason? So in the first photo, the artificial intelligence identifies if there is an earthquake occurring on the day. Means the person who is preparing the mission will give the information how a normal day will be and how a day before the earthquake will be. So there were tectonic plates under the surface, so it will move when before the earthquake. So by this it may notice some changes. The mission may notice some changes and tell us that there is one earthquake was occurring. By this we can be alerted. The people can be alerted and can be moved into a safe place. So in this situation also AI can be used. And by this you can answer what was the use of AI in the second situation. If you are not, I can explain you. In the second situation, there are cancer cells and normal cells. Here the person gives the information to the machine how a normal cell will be and a cancer cell will be. Means the machine identifies the cancer cell by the given information. It knows how a cancer cell will be and a normal cell will be. And also it was also used in this situation too when a mission fails. Means the mission identifies if there is any fail in the working of a mission. Means it will identify the problem. And and means here the person gives the information to the mission how a machine will be when it was in a good condition and how a machine will be when it was in a bad condition. And in this way the mission can identify the problem in the mission. So this is the end of our session. So before we end our session, I promise that I will answer the question, and the answer is Friday. Yes. So thank you for watching this video. For doubts, please ask in comments. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. I hope you liked our video. Thank you.